welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to talk about undripping a course. Okay, a drip course is when you send out your course in chunks or release it in chunks. Like I have one course that is my flagship course, Building a Strategic Partnership with Your Boss. They get one module a week. And then we did in the last tutorial, Bettering the Office, where we did each module was 4 days apart. And some of the modules had, 2 4 days. So we had one module that had it 2 days after the 4 days. So basically let's say someone signed up for Bettering the Office and they say, I really want the content all at once. I really don't want it dripped. Is there a way to undrip it or how to release all the content at once? Now, there really isn't a way that you want to do in the setup because it's set up for the drip. But there is a way that you can make it where they can see all the content at once. So basically, when we did the Bettering the Office, let's go to where we changed it was add course. Add content. Then you go to the modules. Let's go down to the last module. This was edit module, 44 days. So it takes them 44 days to get the last week of this course, but they want it right away. So I'm not going to save. I'm not going to do anything. Well, we'll save. No save, but I just pushed it. So we know it's 44 days. So then I'm going to go into where it says students. And I'm going to go to the student that wants to change, or wants me to release it, which is my second name. And then we're going to go to where it says courses. And there we go, Bettering the Office. Now, if you go to these little 3 buttons there, you'll see delete, copy magic link, and change start date. We're going to change the start date. Now, I don't want to figure out 44 days. What you do is you basically go at least 44 days back. 44 days would be about a month and 11 days. So I am going to just go back. Let's go back to April. That's more than enough. So then we do that. Now everything, because it's past the 6 weeks, is now open because that was the start date. That is it. It's super simple. It's super easy. But that is how you get around releasing content for someone who wants the whole class. And if you have any questions, once again, leave them in the notes below. And I will see you in the next video.